I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turkey fan mount. First, gather your essential tools, including a sharp knife, borax, and a sturdy mounting board. Carefully remove the turkey fan, tail feathers, and a small section of the back skin, ensuring you keep the base intact. Thoroughly clean any remaining flesh or fat from the fan's base. Then, apply a generous amount of borax to the skin to preserve it and prevent decay. This initial preparation is crucial for a lasting display. Next, it is time to dry and shape your turkey fan. Secure the fan in its natural spread position using a piece of cardboard and several pins to hold the feathers in place. Allow the fan to dry completely in a cool, dry area, which typically takes several weeks, perhaps 3 to 4 weeks. Ensure there is good airflow around the fan to prevent any mold or decay. You will know it is fully dry when the base feels hard and rigid. Now, let's mount your beautifully preserved turkey fan. Choose a suitable plaque or board that complements your home decor. Securely attach the dried fan to your chosen plaque using either small screws, perhaps 2 or 3, or a strong, durable adhesive. Position the fan centrally and aesthetically on the mounting surface for the best visual impact. For an even more impressive trophy, consider adding the turkey's beard and spurs to the display. Finally, it is time for the finishing touches on your turkey fan mount. Gently clean the feathers with a soft brush to remove any dust or debris. You might apply a clear protective spray to enhance the fan's durability and overall appearance, giving it a nice sheen. Choose a prominent location in your home or office to proudly display your finished turkey fan. This impressive piece will serve as a lasting memory of your successful hunt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.